Go.
Well, the set project started 3 years ago when we saw a picture of a little boy in refugee camp in Syria, and everybody around say, "Oh, so sad." And I said, "So sad what? Less than 1 hour from the city, we have kids using candles too. So just let's do something about." And we organized the students in two teams: technology and engineering. The guys in technology, they receive training in computer repair, operative system, even in networking, and then they go to the countryside to donate or design computer labs to the kids. Well, the team in engineering, they are in charge of designing energy solution using solar panels. We use 100 or 150 watts solar panels, including charge controller, batteries, and power inverters. And the students receive training in electricity, also how to use that equipment and how to install it, also about the security. And I love the whole process, but my favorite part is at the end of the installation when I can see the satisfaction in the face of the student. I remember during the first installation, one of the students come with me and he say, almost crying, "Mr. Rios, I can't believe we changed."
Dale. Bueno, este panel lo instalamos el año pasado, lo instaló el equipo anterior. Y acá está la señora de la casa y le queremos preguntar si todavía está funcionando todo bien.
Sí, mire, todo bien, hace un año y me siento feliz porque tengo siempre la luz y
¿Sí?
bueno, sí, me funciona súper bien.
¿Y para ti está bien?
Sí.
Sí, eso, muchas Go.
Okay, so for me, SED in ISP is basically a place where we join so that we can learn more about engineering and technology that we can use, and at the same time, when we use it to help others, help other communities. So, for example, giving them electricity, and yeah, that's basically it.
Go.
So what I really like about SET is that it combines science and the whole renewable energy and solar power part of it with serving others, and in the manner that it combines science and service, I think we'll be able to reach more people, and us as students, we're learning about academics by the way that we connect circuits, but at the same time we're helping others and giving back to the community, which is really important.